In this AI Commissions 2024 review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's claiming that they're cutting and pasting 10 GPT apps and making $3,500 a day. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. Make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AI Commissions 2024, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. It makes you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. A ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says insane, swipe 10 AI apps at a 96% discount. When you cut and paste 10 GPT AI apps, it makes us $3,500 per day. It says here, discover how we make $25 a minute with GPT, our most profitable apps. New AI apps bank us $194 an hour, case studies, etc., etc. So it's really, really hypey here. And you're not going to buy this and make $3,500 a day from ChatGPT. It's just not going to happen. However, these guys are using AI. They are making money with it. You're not going to magically make money like this. These are just hypey screenshots here. I don't want you to ever think that that's going to happen. However, that being said, I know these guys are doing it. They've got interesting stuff that they're using. I know that they're even creating some products using AI. What you get with this, you can get this VidGPT AI Power video creator. You get the passive GPT, multimodal chat GPT, 2-click AI, 501 real apps, infinite AI. You can build unique software with AI graphics, AI commissions with ClickBank, Ultimate AI, 15-1 AI, all these different AI softwares here that you can use in your business. So it's a bunch of different stuff that you get included in this all in one. But again, they show this and they have some kind of things here. It says begin by deploying the affiliate commission apps. I know that they use AI to make affiliate commissions, but again, I don't want you to think that you're going to get a software and immediately magically start making money with it. It's just not going to happen. You want to definitely check out see exactly what this is, check out their demo here and show exactly how this actually works with this. I just don't want, again, I never want you guys to think that you're magically going to make money. There's no push button magic money system. It just doesn't work. They're just tools to help. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades.
Imagine if someone gave you the cheat code to limitless AI profits in 2024. A key to an AI engine that makes me $400 or more every day, over and over. And all you need to do is paste a few words into your laptop. You copy, paste, and the proof just falls from the sky. And yes, this can work for anyone, anywhere in the world. And no, this does not require the usual marketing flunk. You know all the stuff you did in 2022? So, are you at all curious? Great, because this is different, easy. The biggest change to hit the planet since the advent of the book. And it means you can finally enjoy the internet lifestyle you were once promised. Look, I've made this as simple as humanly possible, or should I say, inhumanly possible. That's why this is the world's first copy and paste money-making AI. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, you don't have a product to sell, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one. Because the AI will build them all for you, automatically. That is, provided you can copy and paste. So, can you do this? Can you copy and paste? Can you finally profit? Yes. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page, enter your information, and then confirm your payment. And you're on the inside. So, climb aboard. It's time to try something new. Time to truly enjoy AI. Okay, that's it. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside. YouTube, the world's second biggest search engine, the best traffic source on the planet in 2023. But there's a problem. You need to make videos. Ugh. And that means slides, voiceovers. It means stock footage. It means video editing. Unless there was a way to just let AI do it all. Well, today there is. Presenting AI Video Creator, the world's first 100% powered AI video creator. Create instant AI-generated human-level videos right from your browser on any device. Step 1. Start by pasting your script, either your own or one you make with the AI. Next, select the royalty-free backing track you like. Enter up to 3 URLs of any websites you mention in your video, and choose the style of any text slides. You can even customize the aspect ratio, flipping between horizontal for standard video or vertical for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Then, hit go. Step 2. Now the AI will separate your video into slides. It will auto-preload slides, including text, images, and royalty-free videos, and screenshots of the website URLs you entered earlier. All you need to do is browse and choose the slides. You can also preview each AI-generated voice and click once to re-render out any imperfections. Look, the slides, visuals, voice, editing, it's all done with AI. Even the transitions, fonts, and text styling, AI handles it all. All you need to do is click to make your new video, which brings us to Step 3. Now your video is generated in either vertical for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or classical horizontal for standard YouTube. It's all done. Your screenshots, royalty-free images, and text are playing. Your chosen AI voice reads out the entire thing. The whole process took just a few seconds, but it looks like it took you hours. And that's all there is to it. Let's keep this our little secret, okay? Now simply upload the video to rank for the YouTube buyer keywords we give you, or upload your video to your website or any social media platform. Then rinse and repeat every day you want a cash top-up. This is the method we follow to generate profits. It's the tactic we use to profit with YouTube, using AI today. And it's now 100% done with AI and here for Warrior. Another world exclusive and another win for Team GPT. So, what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside. Unless you've been living under a rock, you'll know that the most profitable move you could ever make is to sell your own product. And the best, most profitable product to sell is software. And you'll also know that the most in-demand software on the planet right now are AI-powered apps, which run in your browser. However, for the average person who doesn't know coding and doesn't have 10 grand to hire a developer, that is an almost impossible feat. And that is a real shame because, as you can see, this is the most profitable move you could ever make. Selling AI software right now, it's how I make money like this and commissions like this, using these AI software apps as affiliate bonuses. It's so powerful but so difficult to pull off. Or is it? Presenting the AI Infinite, a new cloud-based app that lets you create real sellable cloud-based apps right from your browser. This is the same method I use to make profits like this. It creates infinite apps for any niche, apps that pay you 100%, and it's here and exclusive to Warrior this summer. Now here's how it works. Step 1, get Infinite AI. Step 2, log into the software and enter some settings about your app. Choose your name. Upload a logo using one of our pre-made Canva templates, which you can edit with a free Canva account. Step 3, next up, the prompts. This is the secret sauce that powers AI apps. A prompt is the command you enter into any AI, like ChatGPT, and it's key to how your app will function. These prompts allow you to customize your app. Now I'll give you some pre-made prompts from some of my top-selling apps, and I'll give you secret sites where you can find unlimited prompts for free or for sale. But maybe you already have your own prompts in mind from within ChatGPT. This, my AI friend, is where you get creative. Or just use the proven prompt templates I give you. It's your call. But either way, simply enter these prompts into the app. Leave space for the user to enter their text, which will allow them to customize the prompt. And then click Save. Now, your app is complete. Step 4, click Save, and you'll be given a URL. This is the sign-up link where you can share your app. Now take this link and sell it for 100% commissions, and of course 100% of the leads. Or give it away as a lead magnet to build a buyer's list. Or use it as a bonus for your next fat affiliate promo. Either way, these are all AI-powered apps on tap, and these apps are proven to profit right now. But this is a limited offer with price increases, and a very real threat that at any moment I realize that the value here is too great, the profit potential too much, and then I pull this for good. Okay, that's it. Welcome to the future. Welcome to a new world where the AI is infinite. Imagine making huge profits with ChatGPT. This summer, 100% passively. On autopilot, without doing a thing. In fact, all you need to do is hit play and let the AI do the rest. This strange new trick does not involve any writing. It does not involve any original thinking, but it does involve a new technology, a new AI technology that gives ChatGPT access to planet Earth, presenting Passive GPT, an automated new way to make AI commissions, something easy, something different. Just watch how easy it is. Step 1. First, we find some form of audio content. It could be a TV show that's playing right now, a YouTube video you just watched, or even yourself talking into the mic. Hit play. Step 2. Now load up the AI Voices app. Hit record. The AI is now listening, intently, absorbing hundreds of words a minute. While you do nothing. Indulge a hobby. Take a break. But don't do a thing. Just return at some point and hit stop. Step 3. Finally, we load up Passive AI and paste the transcription the AI just made you. The AI will now analyze your transcription and turn it into a new piece of content. An email, a piece of copy, a campaign, invented from the passive audio that washes over us all day. Oh, and we're even including our Infinite AI app. So when you get tired of making money with our presets, you can go ahead and create your own GPT-powered apps. So there you have it. It's time to take your profits to the next level, exclusively with Passive GPT. So hit the button now, and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area that you'll have access to after you purchase. You get access to all these different apps here that you can start using as part of this. You get all of them all in one. Plus they've got a bunch of extra training for you, extra case studies, all these different things showing you real AI stuff that they're actually using. Case studies for affiliate review videos, Upwork freelancer case study, ClickBank case study, webinar replay case study, all these different things included inside. It just keeps on going. So there's a lot of value packed in here. Now on top of that, there are multiple upgrades. First one is the Pro upgrade. This gives you the upgrades to all different 10 of those apps. So you get all the upgrades included inside of there. If you say, sometimes if you say no to some of these, I'll see if there's a downsell. There's no downsell for it. So it's the price you see there should be the price that you're gonna get for this. Now there are another one that they'll set everything up for you. So that's the next optional upgrade. The one after that is they're going to give you a bunch of different tools that have been helped them to make $500,000 in revenue. They say, again, it doesn't mean you're going to, but they're going to show you those tools. Create $1,000 AI graphics in just one click. Then they've got another one, create YouTube videos for any affiliate program in seconds. And then they've got another one here, which is another thing about making videos with this. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AI Commissions 2024 and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, well, it's really, really hypey. Again, I don't want you to think that you're magically going to start making $3,500 a day because you're not. So just be aware of that when you purchase. What do I like about it? It includes a lot of stuff, a lot of AI things. If you've been interested in AI, you want to kind of learn some tips and tricks and see what's working from guys that are actually in the trenches using it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI Commissions 2024 review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.